Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to cancel order and refund on Zalando. So for you to be able to get the refund or cancel the order on Zalando, first things first is you need to head onto their website in here, and then right after you just need to log in onto your account. So for you to be able to locate that order and to view it, just simply click onto your user in here and you should be able to see orders from that. So just have to click onto that one. And as of the moment, I don't have an order onto my account right now. But if there is some order into your shop or into your cart in here, what you need to do is you'll just need to click onto that specific order. And then right after, you should be able to see an option to view or cancel the order. So you'll just need to select cancel order in here to cancel the entire order, or click on to cancel items to cancel individual items. So you'll just need to follow the on-screen instructions right after. So these are the important things that you might need to know before you could go ahead and cancel an order. And that's just basically it on to how to cancel order and refund on Zalando. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.